Let's find out what happens when you soak an old master cylinder in cleaning vinegar for 1 month. Okay, it's in there. Be back in a month. Now, just removing the tub out of the area that I had it in storage, you can see the layer of crust that formed on top there is breaking away, and you can see the master cylinder soaking in there. So we're going to take that out and stick it in fresh cleaning vinegar, rinse it off, and see how it looks. Okay, so first off is the lid, and that doesn't look too different. I believe that's aluminum. That'll rinse up pretty good. I thought for sure this diaphragm inside the lid would disintegrate, but it didn't. There we go. And it actually looks pretty good. If we rinse this off here, rinse it all off. Overall, nothing amazing, but it did do, a pretty decent job of cleaning everything up. About what I expected. Also, for you Mustang fans out there, if you haven't checked out my channel, please do so. I'm doing a, we'll call it pour rescue mod on this 1965 Mustang. So check that out if you haven't. That's all I got. So until next time, take care.